Hey gamers, it's Swag and welcome back to Dex Hut. Today we're playing a camping game, also known as... I don't recall the name of this game. Rough TNT will join us today.
Okay, guys, you could just call me Raffle. Yeah, that's kind of my name, but yeah.
Raffle. Alright, I'm gonna call you Raffle now.
Rat fuel, like I'm the
rat fuel.
Yeah, rat fuel, or the rat wheel, or the rat other. Oh, did I just say other?
You're cool, Dr. Swag. Yo, Swag.
Yo, Swag. Oh, it's Lucas.
Everyone likes me. Alright, I got the seat B8. Alright, B8.
I got J10. Where's J10?
8.
Oh, oh no.
There we go. That's a B and a half.
I gotta really. My cheat is.
Why
I don't like my.
Can someone in the comments explain why everyone says "hoi" to me? Because I know it's the way to say hello in my language, but it confuses me because everyone says "hoi" to me in my language.
We're currently flying off an altitude of 30 feet above sea level, and where it looks good, which means we'll be arriving in no time to our destination. Very epic. Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay, now let's just explore the airplane.
Yeah, let's do that. Visible confusion. Literally. Yeah. Now please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Alright, let's get back to the seat. My god, my dog is under my table again. Why are you under my table? You know what? Come up here. Alright, my dog is sitting on my chair with me right now. Do you want to tell us something, Doggo? Doggo, do you want to tell us something? Stop trying to lick my face. I don't like, and I don't agree. Looks like you do not have anything to say. Sandwich, yes please. Alright, our dog will now, well, it looks like I have two very hot women around me. Lol. Okay, what the hell? Yes. My doggo will be joining us in this video today. He's our replacement for Raffle. Wait, is the sandwich? I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no, let's find something to account.
I didn't even eat the sandwich because I was AFK. Guys, I'm back.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Okay, what?
Raffy time. Alright, we got my dog and we got
I found it. Okay.
Oh, alright, that was fast.
I was still sitting in my seat, but okay.
Interesting.
I think there will 100% there will be a monster.
Yes, there is always a monster in camping games. Good afternoon to all passengers. Inform you've reached a stable attitude.
It was good and sit back, hang out, and enjoy the ride.
Alright, Lucas, yes, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, and
yes.
it's time, the monster's coming.
Let's go. We've got monster out here. Yes. My dog does not want to be in the video anymore.
Oh, the energy.
Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Oh no, it's a monster. No, I don't like monster. No.
Is there even a monster? Yeah, there is one.
Yes. Whatever the monster is doing right now.
You will not survive or more.
Yeah, what the monster is doing right now makes physically no
Snakes?
sense.
What? Where are those?
I hate snakes.
Yeah, we're in a restroom.
Breathing intensifies.
Like, why are there snakes? I mean, isn't there like a security check?
Actually, yes. How did they get the snakes onto on board?
Yeah, that was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening.
We are getting hacked.
Yes.
Press F6 to pay respect.
Wait, we're not even in an
Alright,
airplane.
guys.
If you zoom
F6 in comments to pay respects. I am questioning why you are in an elevated class. If we are in the airplane restroom, we obviously are not in the airplane, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just because the restroom, yeah. And the snakes are gone. Your attention, passengers, I have good news and bad news. We are freaked and we are freaked. The good news is the power is back up. Yeah, wow.
Yes, I agree, actually.
The bad news is I'm the monster.
The bad news is that we are losing significant amount of oxygen. No, masks will drop over your seats. Take one. What?
Oh no.
Yes, let's get.
Okay, I got one.
Let's get epic gas mask.
I got. Cause I rock a gas.
Yes, I have one. I have got a gas mask.
Cause I rock a gas mask. She had been making a fuss. I still have my sandwich, though.
Hey, editor, please put some hard bass right now, and make some sick montage.
Надел свой противогаз, все люди смотрят на нас. Полоски в ритм бас, just the rock a gas mask. Shake and making a fuss, всегда все смотрят на нас. Полоски в ритм бас, just the rock a gas mask.
Oh yeah, you have Bob.
Противогаз.
I thought you were Soviet. I did not know that you were Japanese.
Полоски в ритм бас, just the rock a gas mask. Shake and making a fuss.
I did not know Japanese. Look, I have Adidas.
Just the rock a gas mask.
But you have Bob on you.
Противогаз. Противогаз.
I hate snakes.
Понеслась.
Yeah, and
Yes.
it's time the monster's coming.
Let's go. We've got monster out here.
Yes, it worked!
Alright, we're back. After that sick montage, we are back. Oh
Yeah,
yeah, you have Bob. I thought you were Soviet. I did not know that you were Japanese. You
I didn't watch Japanese. Look, I have Adidas.
But you have Bob on you. That means you.
Oh no!
You
I'm
have
not Japanese.
Bob.
I don't want bomb.
You
I
have
need to
Bob.
find
You're
out.
Japanese.
Yes. I got
Yes.
it. I found the
Yes.
first.
Let's go.
Oh, it's.
You have to be honest right now. Did you
Which
put on
cable
this?
should I cut?
Red. Always cut the red one. I will cut.
What if I die?
It's going to explode. Oh,
Yes, it worked. Oh, we had luck there.
you have to be honest right now.
Yeah, I like. We
did-
need to cut the red cable because Soviet Union and not Japanese. See, I was right all along. Okay, like this, the hard bus on the epic montage was so epic that epic bomb happened. Yes. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for the. Oh no. The crew is gone, probably. Oh no. How do we fly the airplane?
And you have to be honest, did you put on the bomb yourself or did someone force you to?
I didn't put on the bomb. I was like sleeping and dancing hardbass and drinking so much vodka, and then I was like hangover, sleeping, and then I woke up with bomb. I think it's those Japanese.
And then you woke up. You played Pokemon Go.
No, I didn't play Pokemon Go.
Alright, yes.
Like, I'm not here to offend Japanese people. It's a meme. Okay.
Japanese people, please do not report or demonetize us. I have 6 children to feed. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and... Oh, alright.
Where are they?
They are unconscious!
They were playing entry point.
Well, yes. We need to
alert the captain. The captain is probably unconscious too. But
yeah. How do I know that something is happening inside?
like, but why are there scissors?
Yes! Let's go.
Why are there even scissors on an airplane?
A good question.
Okay, let's open it.
Captain.
Let's. Oh no! Run! Run!
Actually, did you see the movie Us?
Yeah. Why?
I think now I know why there are scissors on here.
Oh.
This is.
Okay, I think we need to run.
We need to get the secret ending, and we will all kill our tethers.
What? I brought you here. All of you. Why?
Yeah, sure you did. That's not possible. Oh,
It's
wow.
always these
You're ugly.
things like the monster is saying that.
It is! And now, it is time to die!
Okay,
Let's actually not die.
Yeah.
See you in the afterlife. No, you actually.
No, I think, oh no. Yeah, the captain is unconscious. Okay, what do we do?
Press buttons. Press everything. I don't care if
the captain is unconscious. That's what I said.
Yeah.
That's not even what
we did not know that we're in danger.
If you zoom out of the window, this doesn't really look like a plane.
Oh damn! That's that's a real spaceship right there.
Okay, I'm like, why a cockpit doesn't even look like this?
If you guys were ever in an okay.
Oh, I found the button. He
If you
always
guys-
finds things.
If you guys were ever in an airplane, did you guys did get the feeling that it's bigger inside than the outside? Because I did.
Especially on this one. Yeah. Yeah, the problem is we just press the button, but does the airplane now just land itself or something? Like pressing a button doesn't do anything.
The actual problem is, what did the other buttons do?
Yeah, like maybe we would have turned off the engines. We would have left
Self-destruction mode.
Hello? Oh yeah, this one. We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Yeah. And now there is a jet coming. It's going to open the door and it's going to happen.
Yeah, how are you going to get help in a freaking airplane?
Wait, isn't the crew unconscious? Autopilot. Yeah, an autopilot mode can just land itself or something.
Yes.
That isn't even possible. Like, if it wasn't like that, we didn't even need pilots.
Yes.
There's one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Oh, yeah,
I'm
now.
gonna do that. Me do that. I got with.
Would like fail.
I
Landing
got
the
this.
plane.
I got this. All right.
And nobody will. You. Everyone, I got this. Yeah, you got this.
Oh, what
you
the hell?
got-
Why
Wait,
is
are-
Monster here?
Oh no,
it's back. Let's not. Okay.
I don't like the camera controls.
Waha. You humans are so funny. Do you read or
Epically jumps on your head. Actually.
your destiny has already been written.
Yeah, where?
Last chance, Doctor. What the hell? Why are you talking to me specifically?
Crash this plane.
And we will rule the underworld for. Yes, please. I think I'm gonna have to. I think I'm gonna have to betray you there. I'm sorry.
Why you bully?
This is new Soviet ma'am.
Yes.
We will crush the American resistance under our plane.
Yes.
Now let me rule the underworld alongside this good boy.
Take us home. Yes. Master,
Yes.
you are very bad.
Let's
we don't
go.
like.
Bye bye, idiots. Huh?
Has
Wait,
survived. You survived airplane. I didn't
Wait,
even
what?
survive it.
Victory? Yes, for me it is a victory, but
But
not
for
for
me-
you.
I don't know, but
Airplane
Yeah.
starry. Alright, looks like we're ending the video, does it?